Gas in goats, also known as bloat, is a dangerous condition that can kill your goat within hours if not treated quickly. The main causes include sudden diet changes, eating too much grain or grazing on wet green grass. Watch for warning signs like a swollen left side of the belly, restlessness, difficulty breathing, and loss of appetite. If you notice these symptoms, act fast. Gently massage the left side of the stomach and make the goat walk slowly. You can also give 20 to 50 milliliters of mustard oil or an anti-bloat medicine